Welcome back everyone to another fast meal prep hack. So in today's video what we're going to do is show you how to make a fast and easy vegan coleslaw. Now this is a great recipe to do when you have guests, family, or parties, or just a better alternative way when it comes to consuming more salad. So let's go ahead and get those ingredients. The first thing we're going to do is go ahead and grab some coleslaw, alright? So we have this one right here, which is from Whole Foods. Now you can find these type of bags of coleslaw at any local grocery store, okay? Get them like this so it's already pre-made, you don't have to chop up, and it saves a lot of time. Next, some purple onions, okay? So with purple onions, this is great when it comes to just eating raw, okay? Because you have like yellow and white onions, which is great for cooking, but the purple is great for eating raw, okay? Just tastes better. And then what we're going to grab as well is some mustard. Got some mustard. Also a little bit of garlic. And then we're going to go in here and we're going to grab some white vinegar. And then we also have some Truvia. And then the last thing, which I did forget, is the most important thing, is vegan mayo, okay? No milk, no eggs. All right, so this is all you need when it comes to making this coleslaw. Now we're going to go ahead and grab a mixing bowl, just like that. And we're going to rinse this out just a little bit. Now my hands are already washed, so if you want to definitely wash your hands before doing any type of cooking actually. But let's go ahead and open this up. Now the best thing about the coleslaw is that it has a mixture of different types of vegetables. You have your lettuce, you have your cabbage, you also have your carrots in there as well. So you are getting tons of different types of nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin C, a lot of great things when it comes to your vitamins and minerals, okay? Now, the next thing you're going to do is go ahead, grab the onion, and we're going to chop a little bit of that up. So we're going to come over here to the chopping board. Go ahead and peel this out. And we're going to just use a quarter of it. I'm going to chop the whole thing for later. And this is like a nice little meal prep tip. When you're chopping your onions, you can go ahead and chop most of it up or half of it up and then put it in a Ziploc. Alright, just like that. And we're going to use half. So I'm just going to grab a handful like that. Throw it in there. And then with the garlic, we're just going to put a tad bit in there, about like a quarter, just a little bit. Give it some flavor. And then with the Truvia, you could say this is probably about, probably like 1 tablespoon. We're just going to sprinkle some there. That's probably like 1 tablespoon, I'm estimating. Then we're going to use the vinegar. We're going to take about 2 tablespoons of that. I would say about 2 tablespoons of mustard. And then 1 tablespoon of mayo. Now with the other ingredients, I kind of estimated it just because it really doesn't have any macros in there, okay? So that's why I kind of estimated it. But then with the mayo, this is what you really want to count, because the mayo has a lot of fat in it, and it's like highly processed, okay? So we're going to go ahead and tap that in there, all right? And that's it. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead. This is why you want to definitely wash your hands, and you want to mix it in, okay? And you want to kind of like squeeze and grind it together so everything can like mix very well. And you want it to get nice and soft, okay? So you can see I'm squeezing and I'm twisting so all those flavors can mix up and get really into the lettuce. You want to keep doing this until the lettuce itself starts feeling like almost like a a little mushy, you could say, but not too mushy. Like that in between mushy and still crunchy. So it's getting pretty close to that right now. And again, I like doing this coleslaw because it's great for parties. It's great for, you know, when you have friends and family over. Great side dish, and also a great way to eat a lot of greens. Okay, now go ahead and rinse it off my hands, and we're going to go ahead and grab a bowl or a plate. We're going to go ahead and serve it, and that's it, you guys. It's really that simple. And when it comes to the macros are really good. Very low in carbs, very low in fat. And I'm going to have everything already set up for you in the description box of this video. With that said, this is how you make a really fast and easy vegan coleslaw salad. All right, let's go ahead and try it out. It's really good, actually. Whew. So good. Now, if you like this video, please like, comment down below, tell me what you think about the video, and definitely try it out. With that said, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Talk to y'all soon.